Sonke siyamazi uKhama Billiards. uKhama Billiards is a former Mamelodi Sundowns player. Waduma kakhulu ngaley'khathi lezi ze-CBD. Kusakhona uCastro, uDolly benoBilliard. Bebathathu. Wafika la eSouth Africa efika kwi-IS Cape Town. Wafika ngo-2010. Wasayina kwa-Mamelodi Sundowns ngo-2013. Kwathi ngo-2018 wajoyina iKaizer Chiefs. Lapho futhi wafika khona wazenzela udumo. Wafika kwaba umdlalo oshisa ngempela. I-contract yaKhama Billiards yaphela kwi-Kaizer Chiefs ngo-2023. Ekupheleni kwe-contract yakhe, iKaizer Chiefs ayifunanga ukuyi-renew i-contract, so wahlala eseba i-free agent. Kwathi kulo nyaka lo, ngoFebruary, wasesayinwa i-team yaseZimbabwe. Le team le yaseZimbabwe ibizwa ngeYada FC. Yamsayina ine-1 year contract. Le contract le yayizophela ngoDisemba 2024, ngomhla ka-31 December 2024. So, njengoba isiphelile isizini ye-league yaseZimbabwe, kahle kahle i-contract yakhe isiphelile uKhama Billiards neYada FC. I-contract yabo isiphelile. uKhama Billiards ngizwile kuthiwa uza la eSouth Africa, and uza nje la eSouth Africa uyi-free agent. Uma subheka ama-stats wakhe kule team la ade idlalela bemahle kakhulu because iphele nje isizini eyi-top goal scorer yayo le team ade idlala. And iyakhombisa ngempela ukuthi umdlali ose-revive i-career yakhe. Inkinga yakhe ama-injury. Nje uyibuya la eSouth Africa ebuya as a free agent, ngenzeka kube khona ama-team afuna ukumsayina. And there are many teams owabonayo la kwi-Betway Premiership, amdingayo umdlalo njengoKhama Billiards. So uKhama Billiards for me kungenzeka asayine with iSuperSport United. Yabo, SuperSport United right now in a crisis. Ayinabo abadlali abafit abangakwazi ukusupply striker with ama-goals. Sebethenge nje istriker esisha okuSamir Nokovic because uBradley Grobler ulimele. There are many players kuSuperSport abalimele, yabo, and iform yabo ayikho yinhle. So it would be wise for uKevin Hunt ukuthi amlande uKhama Billiards. I don't think uKevin Hunt angariska ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe uzophele kunabadlali abama-free agent abadlala njengalomjida lo, yabo. And then i-team engiyibonayo ukuthi ingamlanda uKhama Billiards i-TS Galaxy. Na i-TS Galaxy ayikho inhle kakhulu, yabo, ayikho inhle kakhulu. Iform yabo ayikho right. Basathana kulanda futhi uKike Ntuli, yabo. So it would be wise for i-team ukuthi ilande uKhama Billiards because Kike Ntuli noKhama Billiards siyabazi bane-history ndawonye, yabo. So it would make sense ukuthi i-TS Galaxy ilande uKhama Billiards. And another team, iKaizer Chiefs, but I don't think lento izokwenzeka. But I think iKaizer Chiefs ngenzeka mhlawumbe njoba simbonise i-free agent and edlala kamnandi le, yabo, escore ama-goals. I think he scored like 13 goals if I'm not mistaken. So I think ngenzeka nayo iKaizer Chiefs imlandi ngoba phela manje uyi-free agent, yabo, and una 34 years old. Ngiyazi I think igame time eningi because uyayazi iminyaka yakhe siyahamba. But angazi ngezwe ngani ukuthi iyiphi i-team uKhama Billiards angabafithi kuyona, yabo, njengoba esebuyile la eSouth Africa free agent and udlale kamnandi kule team ade dlala. Ungangitshela lapho ama-comments ungitshela ukuthi kahle kahle uKhama Billiards kumele